Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm doing a sew in tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I sew in my water wave bundles and a closure. Okay, the hair I'm using today is from Queen Virgin Remy hair. They sent me 4 bundles of their water wave unit and a 4x4 closure, all in length 20, guys. And you guys can see how beautiful the coils are looking. The coils are popping and the closure came bleached. And also we have a pair of lashes and wig cap. I'm going to leave all details to this unit from Queen Virgin Remy in the description box, and also use my discount code to save 20% off. The details will be in my description box for you guys. And while you're watching this video, do not forget to hit the like button, leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already.
Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm no good for you, so I drive around Manhattan. They're all laughing, oh, I'm tragic. Yeah, I'm driving in my car and seeing open, but I can't go down that road again. I'll smoke a cigarette, but will that help me forget you? Will that help me forget you? I just need to forget you. Oh, you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. Without you here, can't sleep, can't breathe. I need you here, right next to me. Thoughts in my head, racing. We can't go on like this anymore. I'm done with the games we're playing. I'm over it. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Oh, yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you. Shawty, Summer fine, summer fine. I saw you right up in the summertime. Summertime, I tried to make you mine, it wouldn't work. Put in work, I had to push you first. I lost my mind, went berserk. I feel like 𝐂𝐚𝐳𝐲. Vivian Westwood chain hanging right around my neck. �Balenciaga kicks 44 when I step. Summer fine, summer fine. I saw you right up in the summertime. But now I stay inside all the time, wasting away, waiting for you to call one more time. Without you here, can't sleep, can't breathe. I need you here, right next to me. Thoughts in my head, racing. We can't go on like this anymore. I'm done with the games we're playing. I'm over it, so I had to let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Hey, yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I gotta let you go. Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm no good for you, so I drive around Manhattan. They're all laughing, oh, I'm tragic. Yeah, I'm driving in my car and seeing open, but I can't go down that road again. I'll smoke a cigarette, but will that help me forget you? Will that help me forget you? I just need to forget you. Oh, you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you.
With this 4x4 closure, you can actually do a center part, a side part, a C part, like whichever part you want to do, guys. Okay, but I went for a side part and this is what it looks like.
Everything that brought me alive, going was playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi. Oh, smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn, but how can I hide it without?
This is how gorgeous the hair is looking right now. I love how it melts perfectly, and I'm going to apply concealer at the parting to make it pop. And I also use water to define the coils of this unit, guys. Like, it was very easy to define the coils, and take a look at how gorgeous the coils are. Like, the coils are popping, the hair is gorgeous. I love the quality of this hair, guys. This hair is everything and more. You should grab yours. Okay, all details will be in my description box for you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.